Today, we're also thinking of those who can't be home for the holidays, especially all our courageous countrymen serving overseas. Today, we salute our brave men and women in uniform, especially our courageous pilots and crews over Iraq. To date, we've seen 3 cases of Ebola diagnosed here. The man who contracted the disease in Liberia came here and sadly died. The 2 courageous nurses who were infected while they were treating him. And your continued and courageous and contagious commitment to honest, thoughtful dialogue is an inspiration to us all. Secretary Gates, working with our military leadership, has also proposed a courageous set of reforms in our defense budget that will target waste and strengthen our military for the future. We see that spirit in courageous journalists like Anas, Arimea, Yeo Anas, who risked his life to report the truth.
On security, Canada recognizes the courageous commitment of President Calderon in taking on the drug.
Today, the story of your service is carried on by a new generation. Dedicated, courageous men and women who I have the privilege to lead and meet every day. They're the young sailors, the midshipmen at the Naval Academy. Given the heated and often misleading rhetoric surrounding this legislation, I know that this was a courageous vote for many members of Congress, and I'm grateful to them and for the rest of their colleagues for taking us this far. But despite the courageous leadership in the past shown by many Democrats and some Republicans, including, by the way, my predecessor, President Bush, this has been the custom. David's government is making some courageous decisions, and I've set a goal of cutting our deficit in half by 2013. Bipartisan minority until a few courageous Republican senators put politics aside. Just imagine the difference it could have made for small business. And we also had the privilege of meeting with some of their families, as well as some of the courageous survivors. Mr. President, I want to commend you for your courageous work to overcome old divisions in Salvadorian society and to show that progress comes through pragmatism and building consensus. No, I don't think it's particularly courageous because
confirmed, I look forward to returning to build on the progress that has been achieved in recent months, working with the courageous men and women at our embassy, with our military, with our NATO allies in the United Nations, and especially with the people of Afghanistan.
Extraordinarily courageous acts without a lot of fanfare. What we did on Sunday is directly connected to what you